Now this first dress is called CEO Moves Midi Dress. It is perfect for the office or for a special occasion like a graduation. The quality for this dress is great. Like, I liked how it felt, and it was very comfortable to wear. I feel like every woman should have a black dress in their closet because you could mix and match it with just anything. You could dress it up nicely with a nice blazer and with a nice bag. And I like that this dress was true to size. I also like the length as well. Next is this jumpsuit called Be Anchor Chain jumpsuit in the color brown. I love dark colors when it comes to clothes, like blacks and grays. So I decided to get something completely different from my norm. So the top area was showing too much of my chest, so I'll have to get that fixed. You could find a lot of nice things on their website, okay? And I feel like their prices are affordable based on the quality. So if you're tall, you would love that this jumpsuit is very long at the bottom. I'm 5'5" in height, and so I will definitely have to get this jumpsuit tailored, okay? Because the leg part of this jumpsuit is actually dragging on the ground. So this type of jumpsuit I will wear with heels, some nice cute heels. I think that it's a nice stretchy material as well. I love the belt. The belt adds a bit of pizzazz to this outfit. It gives more of a classy type of look to this outfit. So I could see myself wearing this outfit like at a fancy restaurant with some nice heels and a simple, nice bag. But the belt really brings out this outfit. It's very stylish, and I think it's very classy as well. Next is this other jumpsuit. As you can see, I love jumpsuits. I've always loved jumpsuits because I feel like jumpsuits are quick and easy to put on and style. So this one is called Man, I Love This Jumpsuit. It's very comfortable, and also what I like is that it's in one of my favorite colors, which is black. But yeah, I would wear these with some black heels and a nice bag. But this brings us to the end of this review. Which one was your favorite? Was it 1, 2, or 3? If you are interested in any of these pieces, I will leave all the information down in the description box. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys in the next review. Bye!